This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to CSS and HTML. We'll start by understanding the fundamental roles of these two core web technologies. HTML, or hypertext markup language, provides the structure for your web content using elements like headings and paragraphs. CSS, or cascading style sheets, then makes that content look beautiful, controlling aspects such as colors, fonts, and layout. Together, they form the backbone of nearly every website you visit, making web development accessible and fun for everyone. To begin building your web page, every HTML document starts with a doc-type HTML declaration and an HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag, you'll find two main sections, the head and the body. The head contains important metadata, like the page's title and links to style sheets. The body is where all your visible content goes, including text, images, and links, making up the main part of your web page structure. Once your HTML structure is in place, it's time to add some style with CSS. The easiest way is to link an external CSS file to your HTML document using a link tag within the head section. In your CSS file, you'll write rules that consist of a selector, which targets specific HTML elements, and a declaration block. This block contains properties like color, font size, and margin, each with a value, to define how your elements look. Learning HTML and CSS can be straightforward with a few easy tips. Always start with small, manageable projects to build your confidence and understanding. Make good use of the vast online resources available, such as MDN Web Docs, which offer excellent documentation. Practice consistently. The more you experiment with different elements and properties, the faster you'll grasp the concepts. Finally, utilize your browser's developer tools to inspect and debug your code efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.